This faceless channel is raking in millions of views and earns roughly $2,000 per video. With quick, easy-to-make YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. Their videos rack up millions of views. Here is one of their videos. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they do it, all for free and in less than 10 minutes, using AI. By the end, you'll be ready to start your own faceless channel, tapping into the same tools they use to skyrocket their views. The focus is on transforming simple ideas into stunning visuals, animals turning into powerful warriors, nations reimagined as mythical creatures, or even pop culture-inspired themes like countries as superheroes, all made possible through AI. Let's get started by setting up our first tool, ChatGPT. First, head over to ChatGPT. In the description, I've provided a special prompt that we'll use to create our content. This prompt will give us exactly what we need to make this project simple and fast. Here's how it works. Once you enter the prompt, ChatGPT will quickly organize everything into a clear table with topics, countries, and prompts to generate images. It's straightforward, covering everything from the type of animals to how they'll look as warrior characters from different countries. I've also added the generated prompts in the description for you to download and follow along. Once ChatGPT organizes the information, you'll see exactly how easy it is to create content that gets noticed. Let's dive in. Next, we move on to the powerhouse of visuals, Zine AI. This new tool is perfect for creating cinematic images and videos. It's packed with features. You can create consistent characters, convert 2D to 3D, generate architectural sketches, even swap outfits in images, and create 3D animations. You can generate image to image, text to image, image to video, even swap face, and many more things you can do with this powerful AI. I've added a link to Design AI in the description, so once you log in, you'll see a dashboard just like this. Scroll down and select Flux 1.0. Once you've done that, give your project a name, something cool. Next, we'll set up the perfect aspect ratio for your video. For platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, we're going with 9:16, then hit Apply. Now, we're ready for the fun part. Take one of the prompts generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Hit Generate and watch as Flux brings your hybrid animal to life in just a few seconds. Check out the hybrid eagle, representing the USA as a fierce warrior. It looks epic, right? Let's download the image by clicking Download. Then, to make it even better, we'll upscale the image. Once it's upscaled, hit the upscale button, and voila! Your image is ready to go. You can see the incredible results for yourself. Next, head back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the next country, and paste it in. Keep generating images for all the countries you want. Want to switch things up? Just ask ChatGPT for a new topic, and you'll get fresh prompts to work with, like mystical creatures or anything you can dream up. After you've got your stunning images, download the best ones and get ready for the next step. Now, let's bring these still images to life. If you're loving this so far, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future money-making tips. Now let's turn those stills into a video. Head over to DZ. Yes, we're using the same tool. Go back to the dashboard, scroll down, and select Image to Video. Click to upload your image. Either add a prompt or leave it blank, then hit Generate. In about 5 to 10 minutes, your image will be magically transformed into a moving video. Let's check it out. It's looking awesome. But wait, we're not done yet. To make it YouTube or TikTok ready, we need to merge all your videos and flags into one to make the video longer. For that, we'll use CapCut. Open the app, add all the content you downloaded and start editing your masterpiece. Let's grab the flags of each country from Pixabay. These flags are royalty-free, so you don't need to worry about any copyright issues. Download each flag, and now we're all set to merge everything together in CapCut. First, open CapCut and import all the videos we generated. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 to fit TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Then, let's make our video flow seamlessly by adding transitions between clips. Go to Transitions and select Floodlight. This one works great for these visuals. Simply drag it between each clip for a smooth transition. Now, it's time to add an effect. Head over to Effects and drag the shake effect onto the timeline, placing it right at the end of each video, where the transition finishes. This little shake adds energy and makes the video pop. Next, let's add some text to label each country. Go to Text, drag the default text onto the timeline, and customize it. Choose a font, change the color, and add an outline to make it stand out. For animations, select Spring for the in animation and Fade out for the out. Copy and paste this text above each clip, then update each label with the correct country name. Now it's time to add those flags we downloaded. Drag each one onto the timeline, resize them, and place them next to the text labels. To make the flags dynamic, go to Animations and add a shake and fade out animation to each one. This gives a cool, lively look to each segment. Finally, let's add some music to bring everything together. You can either pick a track from CapCut's library or download royalty-free music from Pixabay. To make it even more exciting, add a sound effect or two. Just have fun with it and get creative. With everything in place, your video is ready. Hit download and let's check out our masterpiece together.